Welcome back to our basic Excel course. Today we will learn how to create a simple drop-down list in Excel. This is a very useful feature when you want to limit data entry to specific options, making your spreadsheet easier to manage and less prone to errors. Imagine you have a dataset with several departments, and you want to make sure users only select from a predefined list of departments instead of typing values manually. To do this, first select the cell where you want the drop-down to appear. Next, go to the Data tab and choose Data Validation. In the settings, select the option to allow a list of values. Then, specify the source for this list, which can be a range of cells containing the department names. Once you confirm by clicking OK, the selected cell will now have a drop-down arrow. When you click it, you will see the list of department options available, such as Operations, Finance, and others. You can repeat this process for any other cells where you want similar drop-down lists. This method helps maintain consistency across your data and saves time by preventing users from typing incorrect or inconsistent values. By using drop-down boxes, your spreadsheets become more professional and user-friendly. Keep practicing creating drop-down lists with different data, and soon you'll be able to build interactive and reliable Excel forms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you look forward to the next lessons in this basic Excel series.